guess I should probably turn down the music and the heat when I talk. But what's going on, everybody? Now, today is Saturday, but I am posting this on Sunday. Maybe I'll finish eating before I talk. One sec. Alright, we got stuff rattling, we got things going on. What's going on? It's Sunday. It's really Saturday, but it's Sunday. Man, I don't know if you guys can hear me. I really hope that you can. I'm gonna try to talk at a really loud pace or a really loud volume. I don't want to because this is my Sunday video, and I like, last week it was oh, you hear that voice crack? Last Sunday I made a video that I think a lot of like subscribers were subscribed to me that are really interested in what I'm doing. I think a lot of them appreciated it. It was kind of a way for everyone to kind of connect with me, but on maybe a different level. And that's what I kind of want to do every Sunday, call it like the Sunday chill out, and just have a video that's, you know, not as zippy, not as fast paced, but something that's, man, this thing is just, I'm going down a dirt road right now, and it is brutal. But basically, it was just a good way for me to kind of talk to everybody and get everyone's to know different perspectives, my outlook on life, and that's just kind of what I want to carry out throughout my Sunday videos. So that being said, welcome to my Sunday chill out. What I'm doing right now, what we're doing today, is we're heading up to an undisclosed location, which is a hunt camp property. Can't tell you guys where it is, but we're going up there to do some snow removal. It hasn't really been touched all year, so we're gonna head up there and just kind of poke along today, take it easy, and I want you guys to take it easy as well. So just sit back, relax, enjoy, but subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. That's the only thing that I really need you guys to do today. Other than relax and watch the video, I need you to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. That's awesome. All right, let's go to the camp. Found my chain. I guess I buried that, but I got it now. So yeah, that kind of cleared out this area. So now what I'm gonna do is probably gonna come in with the bucket and push in towards and just get that snow out that way. And then just clean up a few more spots, but the sun's coming out, so that's awesome. just like that, we made it back to our, hey, stop beeping at me. Made it back to our undisclosed location here where we're going to be doing some professional snow removal services for today. Yeah, so basically where we are is just hunt camp in the bush. Don't really want to say where it is because, yeah, I don't think I should do that. But yeah, I'm up here. I keep trying to say we're. Just trying to kid myself that I actually have people that want to hang around me. So basically I'm going to just kind of mount the camera outside, and it's actually going to be pretty fun because this snow hasn't been touched all year. So it's like 3-4 feet of snow in some places. So it's actually going to be pretty good. I got my coffee. It's a nice day out. The sun's not shining, but it's trying to, and I know it's going to come out. So, all around, this is exactly how I'd want to spend my weekend. Up early, working, doing stuff. It's really rewarding and fulfilling doing that. I don't really miss not drinking and going out and being hungover the next day and then feeling like garbage. Obviously, I have nothing against drinking if anybody drinks. Man, okay, somebody remember that. You see where I just was going? I was talking about plowing snow, and the next thing you know, I was telling you guys about how I don't drink alcohol. Man, this thing's a powerful thing, I tell you. All right, I need more of this. Oh my God, is it nice outside right now. Ugh. Wow. I don't know if I'm pointing at it right, but man, I love the sun. Well, we're back here now. She's parked, that's about to get started. And I really don't want to stop being outside right now. Man, what a great day. Hat backwards kind of day. That's what today is. A backwards hat kind of day. I did not let that blade sit down properly. I got it sitting on the cutting edge. It's not sitting level. But I think there was a lot of talking in this video. I almost just fell. But like I said, I like doing these Sunday videos, kind of give everybody a different style of video, more of me talking. And the last one did all right, and there was actually a lot of other comments of people wanting me to do another kind of video like this. So just glad that there are people that are interested, and kind of just more of a talking mindset, and kind of just like a chill, laid back kind of video for the weekends. So that all being said, if you came along on today's journey, I appreciate it. Thanks, guys. You can also subscribe to show some support, and hit the thumbs up to show some support, as well as head over to our Instagram at KWC2000. Now, I post a lot on there, actually. I've been posting all day today. So I think I said in my last videos, it's a really good way to keep in contact. So head over there. Like I said, guys, I hope you guys are having an awesome weekend, and I think I'm gonna post this tonight. So if it's Saturday night, hope you guys are having an awesome Saturday night. Hope you're really relaxing, chilling. If you're not, you're out partying, have fun, party safe always. And I think that's just it for me. Thanks guys, I really appreciate it, and I really enjoy making these videos. Thanks.